Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. So here I am with a new video on linear equations in two variables. Okay, and in this video I will be providing the solutions of the word problems of exercise 1 and 2, and in the upcoming videos I will be solving the word problems of rest of the exercises. Okay, so I hope you will like this video. And most of the students, they have problems, okay, in solving the sentence based questions. Okay, either it is from linear equations or quadratic equation. I will try to cover both these topics, okay, in my upcoming videos. Okay, so stay tuned, and if you have not subscribed my channel, kindly do it and watch the video and learn the steps. I will be explaining with some tricks and tips that will be useful for your better understanding. Okay, so let us start with the first exercise. So here is the first question of the first exercise. Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also, 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Isn't this interesting? Yes, it is. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. So I will just represent algebraically. Graphically, you can solve it if you have the equation. Okay. So just look at the question. There will be two situations given. Okay. Always remember, in a linear equation type of problem, that is ax plus by plus c. Okay, so since this is a pair, we have to write a1x b1y, a2x b2y, and c1 c2. Okay, these will represent two. So always remember, they will be giving two datas. With the help of that, we have to form the equations. Okay, so here they have given Aftab tells his daughter. So let me write a guy known as Aftab and his daughter. Okay, just watch it carefully and listen. So he, Aftab, tells his daughter what? 7 years ago. Okay, so let me take their present age. So whenever you get age problem, write present age. So I'll write, see, 7 years. I will write the present age of Aftab as X and his daughter as Y. Okay. Now read the question. 7 years ago. So this is the first hint. 7 years ago, he tells, I was 7 times as old as you were then. So in this sentence, they have given 7 years ago data. So I'll write the past data. Okay, past means he is telling about 7 years ago here. So his present age is X. So 7 years he will be 7 years ago he will be X minus 7, isn't it? If my present age is 21, what will be my age 7 years ago? It will be 21 minus 7, right? So that's the trick we are applying. Similarly, his daughter age will be y minus 7, isn't it? So this is the first data. Now look at the second. What is he telling? I was 7 times as old as you were then. Okay, you refers to his daughter. So he was 7 times, means if he is x minus 7, okay, and his daughter is y minus 7. So he was 7 years older than her daughter. So this is the first equation. Got it? Now read the second part of the question. Also 3 years from now. So 3 years from now means he's talking about future. If his present age is x, 3 years from now will be x plus 3. Correct? Same logic. If I am 21 at present, plus 3, after 3 years I will be 21 plus 3, that is 24, right? So since we don't know the value of present age, I'm taking it as x. So after 3 years he will be x plus 3, and his daughter will be what? Y plus 3. Correct? Now look the data. He's telling, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. He's telling that he is going to be x plus 3, that is his age, is going to be 3 times, means 3 times of his daughter age. So these are the two equations. Now you have to just solve it. x minus 7 equals to 7y minus 49, and if you bring everything to LHS, you'll get x minus 7 minus 7y plus 49 equals to 0. So this is x minus 7y, and this is plus 49 minus 7 is 42 equals to 0. So this is your equation 1. And similarly, solve this. You'll get 3 into y, 3y plus 3 3 is a 9. Bring everything to LHS. This is minus 3y minus 9 equals to 0. So you'll get x minus 3y minus 6 equals to 0. This is your equation 1. So if you can form the given, if you can reduce the given sentence in this equation form, then easily you can solve the problems. I have already solved the problems of these equations. You can watch my videos. I will provide the link in the description box. Okay, that's why I'm not solving here it, okay, completely. So these are the two equations. Got it? So I hope you have understood. Always remember, two datas will be given to form two different equations. Understood? Yes, I hope so. If yes, do like this video. Moving to second question now. So in the second question, they have given the coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,900. Later, she buys another bat and 3 more balls of the same kind for rupees 1,300. Represent this situation algebraically and geometrically. So I'll just represent algebraically. See, so there is a cricket coach is buying bats. Okay, so I will take the rate of bats as x and that of balls as y. Okay, so in the first case, she has bought 3 bat and 6 balls, and which costed her 3,900. And in the second case, she buys another bat, another means one more bat, and 3 more balls, that is 3y, and this time it cost her 1,300. Represent. So this is the representation. See, these are the two equations which you get. Got it? It's very easy. Now if they ask you find the cost of bat and ball, just solve this. Okay, either of the by using substitution or elimination method, you will get the value of x and y, and that is their cost. Simple. Coming to the last question of this main, the cost of 2 kg of apples, okay, apples given, and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be 160 rupees. After a month, the cost of 4 kg of apples and 2 kg of grapes is 300. Represent this situation. So see, so I will take the cost of apple as what? X, and similarly the cost of grapes as y. So now 2 kg, that is 2x, plus 1 kg, that is 1y, equals to how much? 160 rupees. Similarly 4 kg after a month, so 4x plus 2y equals to 300. So these are the two equations. Okay, I hope you have understood how to form the equations. Now moving to the next exercise. I hope it's clear. Okay, coming to the second exercise now. So this is the second exercise. Okay, I am referring a NCERT textbook PDF. That's why it's mentioned as 3.2. If you are following state board, this might be different. So no need to worry. Just refer it as second exercise. See here in the first one you have two questions. So form the pair of equations and also find their solutions. Graphically they have given. I will just give the solutions algebraically. Okay. See. So the first question says, let me change the pen color. Yeah. 10 students of class 10 took part in mathematics quiz. Okay. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. So they have given totally how many students were there? 10. So total students were 10. Let me take x as number of boys and y as number of girls. So combinedly we'll get x plus y as how much? 10. Correct? So this is the first data which they have given. So total 10 students. We don't know the number of boys or girls. So I'll take it as x plus y as 10. Now look at this second data. If the number of girls is 4 more than the boys, so here the boys is x, so y is what they have given, the number of girls is 4 more than that of the boys, so 4 plus x, this is the second data. Okay, so we got two equations. Now solve them. This is number one, and this we can reduce this as, if you bring to RHS this y, it becomes what, minus 5, and this 4 you can transfer to LHS, it's become minus 4. So these are the two equations, solving 1 and 2. Let me solve it for you. X plus y is 10, and here they have given x minus y equals to minus 4. So I will add them, okay, because this is plus y, this is minus, so they will get cancelled. X plus x is 2x, 10 minus 4 is 6, so x is 6 by 2, which is equal to 3. What is this 3? Yes, it is the number of boys. If number of boys is 3, what about number of girls? Yes, it is 10 minus 3, correct? So that is 7. So number of girls are 7. That's why they have given 4 more than the number of boys. So you can just check your answers. Understood? So it's very simple. Now, and in your exam you will get question like this, where you have to solve it algebraically, not graphically. In graphically they will give directly these equations, they will not give these sentence based questions. Okay, sentence based will be only in the algebraic form, either for 2 or 3 marks. Next, coming to question number 2. See, 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost rupees 50. Okay, so you have pencils and pens. So I'll take the cost of pencil as x and cost of pens as y. Now 5 pencil, that is 5x, and 7 pens, that is 7y, together cost rupees 50. Now whereas 7 pencil, that is 7x, and 5 pens, that is 5y, together cost 46. Find the cost of one pencil and that of pen. So these are the two equations you got already. Now solve them. So let me solve. See, 5x plus 7y equals to 50, and here we have 7x plus 5y equals to 46. So I will again solve this using elimination method. Okay, so what can we do? Yes, you have to just multiply. None of the variables, none of the coefficient of variables either of x or y are same, so just multiply this with 7 and this with 5. The first one will multiply to the this equation, and the first value will multiply with this here. Okay, like this, cross multiply. Now you will get here 7 5s are 35x plus 49y, and this is equal to 350. Correct? Now second equation becomes again 35x and plus this is 25y, and this is 6 5 is 30, 5 4 is 20, 20 plus 3 is 23. Now solve them. So this becomes minus minus. I hope you know this, in this minus, so these two will get cancelled. Here you will get 4 24y, and here you will get 0 2, and this is how much, 1, that is plus. Now y is what, 120 by 24, so 120 by 24. So if you don't know the 24 table, you just reduce it using 2. So 2 12s are, and this is 2 60s are. Now 12 5s are how much, 60. So the value of y is how much, 5. What does it mean? Yes, the cost of one pen is 5 rupees. What about pencil? You substitute either in this or this. So let me substitute here. So 5x equals to 50 minus 7y. So y is how much, 5. So 50 minus 35, that is 5x. How much is this? This is 15. So 5x is 15, so x is how much, 15 by 5, which is equal to 3. So cost of pencil is how much, 3 rupees. That's all, one pencil. I hope you have understood. If yes, do press the like button if you have not pressed it yet. Okay, moving to question number, we don't know, let me check. Yeah, so I have already solved these two problems. Okay, now second is definitely the other type. I will directly solve the sentence based problem. Here it is question number 5. Okay, because this is also not a sentence based, even this. So I'll just solve the fifth one and we'll wind up this video. See what they have given, and this is very important question, practice it well. Half of the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose, what they have given, length is 4 more than its width is 36, means they have given the half of perimeter is 36. Find the dimensions of garden. Okay, so this is a type of rectangular garden they have given. So let me draw a rectangle first here. Imagine there was a garden rectangle in shape. Okay, this will call it as length and this as width or breadth, both are same. Now perimeter of rectangle is what? We write the perimeter as 2 into L plus B, right? See, this is L, this is L, and this is B. Perimeter is the sum of the total length of its boundary. So L plus B plus L plus B. So therefore 2L plus 2B. 2 if you take common, you'll get like this. Now they have given half of perimeter. What does it mean? P by 2. Which means 2 into L plus B by 2. So 2 gets cancelled. They have given L plus B as how much? 36. So this is the first data, L plus B. I have taken length as L, breadth as B or width as B. This is 36. This is data number 1. Now, now in this data they have given, whose length is 4 more than its width. It means length is 4 more than its width. So this is the second data. Okay, with this we will get the equation. I can write this L as how much? Let me take this as it is. This is equation 2. Now I will solve this using substitution method. Okay, in the previous problem I used elimination. This I will solve using substitution method. So L is equal to 4 plus B in equation 1. I will substitute. So you have to write substitute L equals to this 4 plus B in second. So this becomes 4 plus B. Equation 1 becomes 4 plus B. At the place of L I am writing 4 plus B, and here plus B equals to 36. So 4 plus B plus B is how much? 2B equals to 36. So 2B is equal to 36 minus 4, which is equal to 32. So B is how much? It is 32 by 2, which is equal to 16. So since they have given it in meter, or other data in meter, we have to write this width as also in meter, 16 meter. Now what about length? Substitute in this. So 4 plus 16, that is 20. So length is how much? 20 meter. So this is how you have to solve this type of problems, and you will get this type of problems mainly. It's very easy, so it will be for 2 marks. Okay, I hope you have understood, and I hope you liked it. In the next video I will be solving the other exercises. Okay, and they will take some different types of question. Mostly they are for 3 months. Okay, so till then, take care, bye, and don't forget to share the video with the other students of class 10. Okay, take care.